Whether you're out to add a cool new look or find the inspiration for a whole new interior, the Triton Aspirante Electric Shower range puts cutting-edge design at the heart of your bathroom. In and around the home, there are many examples of everyday items with modern, high-class design. Your bathroom is no different. A shower can make a real statement. The Aspirante shower is the talking point of any bathroom, with minimalist styling, ultra-clean lines and intuitive operation. And with a swivel water inlet for left or right-hand water connections, it's installation friendly too. Let's find out more. The Aspirante shower is available in 8.5 kilowatt or 9.5 kilowatt power options and in 6 individual finishes. From the rich polished style of black gloss and the crisp, clean ambience of white gloss. The natural beauty of Riviera sand to the modern feel of brushed steel. The contemporary chic of gunmetal through to the delicately flecked black pearl. Whichever look you choose, Aspirante's stylish chrome trim adds the perfect touch, complementing the finish and enhancing the iconic shape of Aspirante. Even the backplate colour has been selected to complement or contrast with the front cover finish. A tapered design further enhances the Aspirante's compact and slimline shape to give the illusion that your shower isn't attached to your tiles but sits floating in front of a wall. A stylish chrome kit completes the look, while the top wall bracket can be adjusted to fit existing fixing holes. The chrome shower head can produce 5 different spray patterns for an individual showering experience and has rub clean nozzles to make cleaning easier. The stylish Aspirante shower works as beautifully as it looks. Chrome controls complement the modern design and are all conveniently positioned in the centre of the shower. The control knob adjusts for water temperature and flow and has contours for a more comfortable grip. There are 4 electronic control buttons, all positioned around the temperature flow control knob. When the electricity supply to the shower is switched on, the start-stop button will illuminate red. One press of this button starts and stops the shower on full power, while retaining the last used temperature settings. There are 3 other control buttons which can be pressed to start the shower. Each button illuminates blue when selected and activates a different power setting. The button on the left selects the cold mode for rinsing. The top button is half power for economy heat. The right-hand button is full power for when the incoming water is colder. If the incoming water pressure drops too low, the red power on indicator light will flash to warn the user and the heating elements will be switched off. The Aspirante shower also has phase shutdown, which activates when the start-stop button is pressed to turn the shower off. The water will continue to run for a few seconds, flushing out any remaining hot water. Not only does this help reduce any scale buildup inside the shower, it prevents an instant spray of hot water coming out of the shower head when the shower is next started. The Aspirante Electric Shower has a high-quality design and multiple entry positions for flexible installation to accommodate existing plumbing and wiring. There are 4 cable entry positions and 7 water entry positions. Inside, the swivel water inlet is easily adjusted to allow water connections from the left-hand side or the right-hand side for ease of installation. For a neat installation, there are removable pipe trims on the backplate. At the top left, at the bottom left and right. The bottom trim plate has cutout to accommodate pipe entry from the side, one on the left and one on the right. The built-in filter can be easily removed if it becomes blocked or for cleaning to maintain the performance of your shower. The Triton Aspirante takes shower design to the next level without compromising quality or efficiency. Everything from the initial installation to intuitive operation has been considered, honed and perfected. Whatever you're looking for in an electric shower, Triton has the answer. If you need an installation-friendly shower with multiple entry points and connections for cable and water for a hassle-free installation, then watch our T80Z Fast Fit video. If you're interested in a compact and discreet electric shower, then take a look at our T80Z Slimline video. Or, if you're after a family-safe electric shower with thermostatic temperature control, then watch our T80Z thermostatic video. Watch these videos to find out more.